Hey my friends, want to start earning commission just by sharing Shein links? Well, in this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to join the Shein affiliate program. So guys, actually this is very simple. So you just open up the map, of course make sure you're signed up and signed in with your account. After that, on the bottom right, tap on Me, and just scroll a bit down. As you can see on the very center of my screen right now, we have a button that's called Affiliate. Tap on it. And this is where you will be able to sign up to be an affiliate. Also make sure to understand that you can only do this from the phone, not from PC. So make sure to download the mobile app for this. So as you can see, you will get a welcome gift, a $14 reward, and up to 20% commission. So you can, as you can see, become an affiliate and begin your fashion journey. You can also read all this information. When you're ready, just press on sign up. So you just authorize, read the terms and conditions, and of course, press on accept. And as you can see, you can choose whichever public social media account you have the most followers on. You can choose that and use affiliate links in that profile. So as you can see, the platforms supported are as follows: TikTok, Facebook, X, YouTube, and Instagram. And you can basically start earning. You, for example, press on TikTok, you authorize through the link. As you can see, you just log in into your account and start earning. Very simple, guys. So for more tutorials and step-by-step guides, subscribe to our channel and of course like the video, and I will see you soon.